to copy music from CD to USB. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, insert your CD player in your device. After that, go to File Explorer and then you will also see an option of CD that you have recently inserted. Now tap on it and then copy the music that it has. Copy the address and then connect the USB in which you want to copy the music from the CD to. After that, go to New and then simply paste the music that you copied from your CD player and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.